If your Henry Quick floor tool is in need of a clean, today we're going to remove the brush and get it looking like new safely. Firstly, we press this button and then the end cap comes down and you can then pull it off. Sometimes the brush bar will come out at the same time. If it doesn't, just turn the head over and then you can just pull the brush bar out on its own. Now my brush bar is okay, but if yours has got hair on it, just go along with some scissors, rotating and then pulling off the hair as you go. We're just going to use a wet wipe to wipe down the outer and inside of the plastics. These floor tools have a motor in and also a circuit board. Please don't use any water or spray them with any cleaning chemicals. Basically, if you get any water or go into any of the cracks, it's just going to destroy the electrics inside. Using a wet wipe or a multi-purpose wipe is more than good enough. Once you've done that, use some paper towel or a microfiber cloth just to dry off any moisture that might be left from the wipe. Now the brush bar itself, again you can wipe this down if it's not too bad. If yours is absolutely terrible, you could put it in warm water, some soapy water in a sink and scrub it with a toothbrush, but you would have to leave it to dry for 24 hours before you put it on the vacuum cleaner again. Now everything is clean, we're just going to put the brush bar back in. It goes in the cog end first, just literally pushes in. I've put the end cap on as well, and then this just slides in like so and it clicks into position. And that's it, a nice simple clean, but your floor tool is looking like new again. I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel for more Henry Help videos. This next one is showing you how to clean the floor tool on your standard Henry.